Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to add a card on a digital wallet in the Bank of America application. Okay, so this should be the landing page if you open up the account, right? Simply click login, enter your details, and then this should be your home page. I just want you to click on the three lines on the top left, the menu options. Once you're in the menu options, just click on manage debit or credit card right there, okay? After that one, just simply click on digital wallets, the very bottom part right here, the last option, okay? After clicking digital wallets right there, you'll be redirected on this landing page that you can add Apple Pay or PayPal. Now this option right here really depends on your area. For some countries, they don't have Apple Pay. For some countries, of course, they don't have PayPal. But majority, they have both, okay? So choose which one that you want to add as a digital wallet. And then simply just input your information, for example, the last four digits of your PayPal account or your Apple Pay account. Okay? And that's good to go. That's how you add a card on the digital wallet in the Bank of America. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.